This is $10,000 dropped into a plain index fund and left completely alone. By the end of this video, it is $242,734. And here's the part nobody warns you about. The last 10 years earned more than the first 30. Combined. No deposits, no stock picks, no timing. One boring rule, repeated for 40 years. Here's the whole setup. $10,000 in once. Nothing added, nothing touched. 4 decades on the clock. Growing at 8% a year, a conservative take on the U.S. market's long-run average with dividends reinvested. Say you're 25. This is you at 65. One honest caveat. Some years the market drops 30%, some years it jumps 25. This simulation runs the smooth average. Real life is bumpier, but 40 years of patience irons out most of it. Part 1, the decade everyone quits. Watch the first 10 years closely because honestly, nothing much happens. 9 years in, $2,495. 9 years to earn the first $10,000. A savings account with extra steps, right? Hold that thought. The doubles are about to speed up. Not in years, in dollars. Part 2, the doubling clock. Here's the machine underneath. At 8%, money doubles roughly every 9 years. So watch the clock, not the balance. Year 18, $42,005. Double number 2, same 9 years, twice the cash, and the clock keeps ticking. Year 26, $79,494. Double number 3. You're 51 now. It still doesn't feel rich, but look at the ladder. Every double takes the same 9 years, and each one is worth more than everything before it. That's not a metaphor. Watch what the fourth double does. Part 3, the fuse. Because from here, the same quiet rule turns violent. Year 35, past $162,925. The account now earns more every single year than the entire first decade produced. Year 40, lock it, $242,734. Decade by decade, here's where the money actually showed up. First decade, $12,196. Second, $27,072. Third, $60,089. And the final decade, $130,377. More than the first 3 decades combined. Same rule, same 8%. The only thing that changed was how big the number already was. So, compounding isn't a curve. It's a fuse. The early years are for lighting it, which means the most valuable dollars you will ever invest are the ones with the most years left. This year's dollars. Run your own numbers before you trust anyone else's. And subscribe for the next simulation.